Summer prices are lower. This is the August 2017 Market Watch. And so what's happened is prices seasonally in the summer continue to get softer for the same reasons every summer. What happens? Alice Cooper said it best, or sang it best. School's out. Yes, great tune. And what happens is when the school's out, that means the parents are preoccupied with their children, with their families, and families are preoccupied with their families. So they may be moving then, however, they've already made the move, they've already made the transition in the spring. They move in the summertime, and that way it allows them some time to acclimatize to the new neighborhood, and then the kids are ready for school. So that's typical. And when you have less buyers out there in the marketplace shopping in the summertime, and you have the same number of houses available, in this case more because houses went up, then obviously the prices will soften. When demand goes down, supply goes up, prices have to soften, and they continue to soften. They softened a little bit in August. They were down by about 1.87%, or $13,926 to be exact. So the average price in August was $732,292. So it's down, as mentioned, from the month before. That's a more relative statistic than comparing it year over year. Year over year, yeah, it does look at the seasonality. However, month to month is a more accurate reflection in terms of where the market's really trending. Wouldn't you agree? Sure, because who cares what the weather was like a year ago for the monthly average? It doesn't mean too much. But the previous month, yeah, especially when it comes to average prices, it's more meaningful, it's more relevant. So, the high point of average prices ever was in April this year at $920,791. Now, since the Ontario Fair Housing initiatives, prices have come down, tumbling down by $188,499. That represents a decrease of 20.47%. That is huge. It's incredible within such a short period of time. And the average days on the market has risen by 7 days to 25 days on market for the houses that sold. Understand there's more and more houses on the market and properties, including condominiums and townhouses and semis and links and all that, that aren't sold at all. And in fact, that number is going down as well because the number of solds as a percentage, the absorption rate, I mean, there were actually 6,357 sales. That's down 3,380 sales from August of last year. Again, it's just a reflection of the fact that the buyers are still, many buyers are still on the sidelines. Obviously 6,357 though did make a purchase in August, and I salute them because they got great value. Now remember this though, average price is not always average price, because a lot more lower priced homes selling in a month will reduce the average price. But it wasn't exactly the same types of homes. If more high-end homes sell in a given month, like say the home's over $1 million as a percentage, then that will increase the average price of the whole. But it's kind of somewhat skewed, so you have to take a look at that as well. However, we do feel, and I do predict, in September and October, in the fall, when the kids are back at school and the buyers have an opportunity to really focus on making a move, that the average prices will start peaking up. Why? Because the demand will pick up, supply will stay about the same, and so the average prices will start edging up. Now, coupled with this, another reason for the buyer's coolness is the interest rates. And given the interest rate went up by 25 basis points, the Bank of Canada, and the banks will typically adjust their rates, even though it might be lagged for a few days or even a week, then that takes more buyers out of the market for qualification purposes. So that's going to be the wild card, so to speak, because anytime the government interferes with anything, that's the artificial wild card, so to speak. So always keep that in mind. We'll keep monitoring that closely for you, and it's a great time to buy, and it's a great time to move up, because the higher price houses generally have seen the biggest adjustment, and less people can qualify for them. So if you're thinking about moving up, this is a great time to do it. 20% reduction in price, you can now move up. Yes, you're getting 20% less for the house that you're selling. However, since you're moving on up, you're actually saving that differential on the price increase. So if you're moving up by, say, $500,000, 20% of $500,000, you're saving a net of $100,000 on average. Okay? Very great time to make that move. Reach out. Have a great one, and hope you enjoyed August as much as we did. Thank you.